Today, I take you on a culinary journey to the Italian coast with one of the most beloved recipes, spaghetti with clams. A simple and refined dish that evokes the authentic flavor of the sea. Ingredients: 400 grams of spaghetti, 1 kilogram of fresh clams, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh parsley, chili pepper, if you like a spicy touch, 100 milliliters of dry white wine, extra virgin olive oil, fine and coarse salt, and whole pepper to grind. Start by soaking the clams in a basin filled with water and a handful of coarse salt for at least 2 hours. Then, rinse them well under running water, making them knock against each other to remove any sand residue. In a large pan, heat a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and add the crushed garlic cloves. If you like a touch of spiciness, you can add a whole or chopped chili pepper. Let the oil infuse on low heat, being careful not to burn the garlic to avoid a bitter taste. If you prefer a more delicate flavor, remove the garlic before proceeding. Add the well-drained clams to the sauté and immediately cover with a lid. Cook on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes until most of the clams have opened. It's crucial that the clams are cooked at least until they open. Those that remain closed should be discarded, as they are not safe to eat. Pour in the white wine and let the alcohol evaporate, continuing to cook for another minute or two. Turn off the heat and transfer the clams to a bowl, keeping the cooking liquid in the pan. Meanwhile, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook the spaghetti until halfway done. Drain them, reserving some cooking water, and transfer them to the pan with the clam cooking liquid. Continue cooking the spaghetti in the pan, over medium-high heat, gradually adding small amounts of the spaghetti cooking water as you would for risotto. This risotto-like process allows the pasta to better absorb the sauce and release starch, creating a creamy and well-combined texture. Continue stirring gently until the spaghetti is al dente and the sauce is well distributed. Add the cooked clams, chopped fresh parsley, and a grind of fresh pepper. Stir gently to evenly distribute the ingredients, and if necessary, adjust the salt. This dish is perfect to serve immediately, piping hot, to best savor the freshness of the clams and the intensity of Mediterranean flavors. For an extra touch, you can add some grated lemon zest at the end, which will give the dish a fresh citrus note. Some also prefer to add some grated botarga for a more intense and complex flavor. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Spaghetti with clams is a classic dish that highlights the freshness of the clams and the intensity of Mediterranean aromas. Enjoy your meal.